Let's now talk about operators. So for example, we have the addition operator, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, and remainder. So for example, if we have two numbers, x which is equal to 1 and y equal to 2, and we need to add them and assign them to a variable called a. In this case, if you want to add them, we simply write x plus y. Let's go ahead and print a and see what we get. Run this code, we get 3. Now, the same thing with subtraction, the minus sign, get -1. Multiplication it will be the star sign. On this code, we'll get 2 since 1 times 2 is 2. Division, and in this case, we get 0.5. And if we want to get an integer, in this case, we simply add another division sign and we'll get 0. Now, if we want to have the power of 3 to the power 2, for example, let's say 3 to the power 2, x, and 2 star sign, run this code, we'll get 9. Last thing we're going to talk about is the remainder, and in this case, x remainder of 2. This is the character of the remainder, and if we divide x by y, we'll get a remainder of 1. Run this code, we'll get 1. So now that we have our operations and operators, let's talk about expression. An expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators. A value all by itself is considered an expression, and so is a variable. So for example, if we say 12, this is an expression. And if we say x, it's also an expression, x plus 12, same. And for example, let's say that we have the following expression, and in this case, x will be equal to x plus 3 to the power of x plus x plus 2, and let's multiply it by 5 divided by 2. Now let's talk about the order that this operation is going to be executed. So as we know from simple math, first of all, we have the high priority for the parentheses, then for the power, and then multiplication, division. After that, follow the addition, and the last thing is from left to right. So here, first of all, we'll perform this, 3 to the power of x, and let's say that x is equal to 2 in this case. First of all, 3 to the power of x, it will be 3 to the power of 2, 9, and we have x plus 2, which is 4, multiplied by 5, 20, divided by 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, plus 2, 21. So let's go ahead and print x, and we should get the number 21.0, since this and this return a floating point, and if we wanna have an integer, we'll simply convert this x to int x. Run this code, we'll get 21 as an integer.